Hello, and welcome back to my channel. And today, hell yeah, two brand new UNIS videos. We have the SWICY performance video, and then a special clip, and I believe it is Spring Rain, which I know have been requested. So I figured, oh, I'm gonna add it to this because I love special clips and it looks very cute. So, you know what? Without any further ado, I guess let's dive right into it. Let's start with the SWICY performance video. Seriously, isn't that the same place that Twice did Cheer Up? It looks so similar. Aww. I really like her with the blonde hair. She looks so cute. I mean, she looks cute regardless, like even with the black hair, but I really like that blonde hair on her. Oh, love her tone of voice. Whoa, she looks so pretty. She really is so freaking adorable. I know I keep saying it, but she is. Wow. I love her face. Ah, sorry. Wow. I love this choreo too. You know what? This song is really growing on me. Oh, we changed. Aww. Oh, seriously, I love that hairstyle. I really need to try that. Aw. Honestly, this is such a happy feel song. And fun. Oh, they're so cute. Aww. Aww. That was adorable. I really liked this. I really liked the performance video. Okay. Well, honestly, I don't have anything. I don't have much to say because, I mean, I've watched the music video and the song is on my playlist, my little UNIS playlist. So, of course. But I really like the choreo. Like, it's so energetic. And again, they're just so naturally cute. They're adorable. You cannot not smile when you look at this. So, yeah. But now I'm very excited because I don't know this song. And it's been recommended a lot. So let's go. Do we have subtitles for this? No. Spring Rain. Not sorry. What did I say before? Spring Day? That's BTS. Spring Rain. I actually cannot remember what I said. Maybe I said it right and I just confused myself. I don't know. Anyway, Spring Rain. We've had that last week. Wow. So precious. I love how she makes it work with that eye patch. Seriously, so many idols have those eye patches. Like I'm like, wow. I mean, I wear makeup, not every day, but like, see, like right now I'm wearing makeup, and I've never had this before. Like I've never had, what is it, like pink eye or something? Like I've never had this. So, what are they doing? Like the makeup artists that work on them, like what products are they using for so many idols to have pink eyes? Because that looks very painful. I'm like, how? But she makes it work. She looks gorgeous with it. Oh, I love that little attitude that she has. God, look at them too. Actually, they're so pretty. But like, Kotoko, seriously, I really wish my hair was like this. I know we have like similar haircuts, but my hair doesn't stay that way. Like, it's just maybe I would have to like, I don't know. Like for me to be able to do these little things, I think I will need like a hair straightener first of all, maybe to be able to pull that off. I don't know. Look at her! I love her. I love her voice. Gorgeous. Oh my god. Oh, she's so pretty. Way. First of all, hold on. Love, can you see it? Here, like that, like those shoes. Oh, wait. Her. Sorry, I really need to learn their names, but see her shoes. I'm obsessed. Oh, she's got the same one over there. Okay. I really love that song, by the way. Another one to the playlist, yay! Love that little inflection in her voice. How do you look so cute while rapping? Seriously. Hold on. Oh, her voice. Yeah. Oh, it's so pretty. See that vase behind her? I don't know if it's a vase, but it's written in French. Un livre sur les fleurs. A book about flowers. Yay! Excuse me. I think it's actually 4 flowers. god, she looks so stunning. Those ad-libs. You know what, here, she kind of reminds me of, again, Momo from Twice. A little bit. It's like she's like showering them. Yeah. So cute. Oh. George just going to play on repeat forever. Oh, I love that. Oh. And I think I've seen idols doing the Spring Rain challenge on Instagram, but I didn't hear the song. So what is going on? Like, why is it charting again? Maybe because it's actually spring season? I don't know. But I really, really love that song. It's definitely going on my playlist, like, right away. I don't have my phone right now because it's charging over there. Don't know if you can see that little lump of orange right here. That's my cat, and over there, that's my phone charging. So, yeah. But wow, I really, really love that song. Oh, I feel like I just fell in love. But yeah, anyway, I really wanted to do like, well, first of all, things that I had in my playlist, and now I'm, well, all caught up. No, but I am caught on the things I wanted to react to like right away. So the next one will probably be finally like a guide or something. But probably next week because it's the weekend and I did have a little time like right now. But after this, I'm not gonna have time to film anything. Um, so yeah, but next week I will be working from home like every single day because we have like a heat wave coming, and I was like, there's no way I'm getting on public transportation when I am able to work from home, and suffer in the sun because I hate the heat. I have to be very careful in the sun because um, I've had like two years ago I've had skin cancer actually, and since then like I'm okay now, but because of that I have to be even more careful than I already was when it comes to the sunshine and everything. So I have to cover myself from head to toe, which is not very, like, it's not nice when you actually have to go places. So yeah, that's why I will have time to film more videos next week. So there's that. Anyway, I guess that is it for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to comment, like, maybe subscribe to the channel, and I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.